Well, I ordered it online and here it is. This is the NOCO GB70. I read reviews of it online and they say this is the best, this is the best booster out there. So I bought it for 200 bucks. I bought it at walmart.com. So here's the box, the NOCO box. Pretty nice box. I mean, it's pretty fancy. Oh yeah, and there it is, my friends. The NOCO GB70 booster. Now, where is the charging cable? Oh, here it is, the NOCO GB70. Cost me $200. These are the cables to hook onto the battery, and then I guess we also have a little light on the side. I gotta charge it first. Oh, here's the charging ports over here on the side. So you got two charging ports over there, one in, one out. So I'm gonna charge it now. All right, now I'm charging it. See, it's connected to the USB cable, connected to my outlet, and now I am charging it. According to the lights there, it's very low on charge, so I'm gonna have to charge it. I'm gonna charge it for a few hours and see what it looks like. Okay, let's see if the car will start. Might have to jump start it. Nope, it doesn't start. Yeah, it's just clicking. Something is draining the battery. I'm gonna have to jump start it using my NOCO GB70. Okay, here's my NOCO GB70. I'm gonna hook it up. Very simple. We just hook up the positive to the positive, the red, and then the negative to the negative. It's a little hard to reach back there, but what we're gonna have to do. And then the battery, oh shakes, and then the battery, it's hooked up like that, and then we just turn on the NOCO boost. Just press this button until all the lights are on, and now we are going to start it. Okay, here comes the moment of truth. Started. Perfect. And now we just take the charger off. See how it's hooked up? I just turned it off and disconnect everything. And that's it. That's how you jump start the battery with the NOCO GB70. Perfect.